many of you are aware that while you were enjoying this beautiful Christmas, where you were busy enjoying yourself this festive period, now Mathias through Mathias through the biggest crusade anywhere across the Niger. Many of you have an idea. Mathias through the biggest crusade in Enugu. Crusade will more, that crusade will more people times 10 compared to if Zion when made the closing of 100 days and crossover. On any idea, if about day 2 of the crusade, which is the last day, and then on the last day na that walking on. Came on last day na walking on. Last day Iglesia from the water. Last day and they making the first day. They cannot afford to miss the last day. Now that got me thinking. The man disgraced me way again for the second time. Remember the first crusade we had the Madducees. We made that one. We even Madducees here had the Maddu 8. We even Maddu 8 here. All 3 families. Family Mathias Ezeaku because so all one will there be that crusade. Now look at this one again. After 2 years, Omenala that crusade. This is exactly what he was able to pull again. After 2 years, in his hometown, Enugu, made such crusade in Nabai, Bendebedike here. So Mwadiana, so Omwada, so Ndenne, so Ndenna, so Ikunibe. Ye Megodu, and way more than 200 people here. Yes, I'm being honest. Because so can go on the Nanine no Bedike. I go on the Munyefa. I go to Momofa. The map of my cousins. Ngo my cousins. Ekuze maka omwadi anai. Ekuze maka umunne my dad. Handa no pola no po. E gotta go omwadi ana. Go mwane umoke. Egoa. If you know more can anything to less than 200 people here from families and in-laws alone. Now that is to show you that even this man among his people, he's standing alone. Nobody is buying that idea on a Bugare except Ndeli or except Ndeli Miachocho. So when he keep on saying that no Chosanandoka, no enemy masquerade in Doka, no watch over in Doka, I keep asking myself, where exactly? Evangelist Kobe just finished Crusade Omero Bosia. Ebe almost the whole it will put Oduko Yekonisi Madu. Now no may crossover night the other day. Afronzo 31st night, Tagariana the whole churches. You were about to put Okonisi Madu. And a crossover night. Jeo Bosia, the choosing melody program, Hana de Menamoka. Jay took to Konisim Mado. Jena Shilo came last year. It took to Konisim Mado. Baraliana the whole churches, Baraliana the whole crusade in crossover night in Mel. It took to Okonisim Mado. But maybe this man in his illusion, sleep and slumber. Tell me, Ebe. Ocho barando kofia. Ne crusade omen. Mmadụ ne biaranka. Nde biaranka elu system. At least I add more 8 people. You got to go. It anama chu oneself. Munye omokoro umunne. Omokoro umunne. Omokoro umunna. Maka no umunne ni ne bieba. Mmade ju ebe ni ne. He nwo ke iti proper lighting. Sound system 0. Among no crusade age 87,000 we kwato. Even Waja, Mazidibia, here the light of Africa, the little way rise here, will decide he waste the time and those who waste the time in Kenya because he came for nothing. Nobody was there. It was more like a gathering among 16 people. And Donye Mano de 5 kg rice, Ojuwe entice Madone Mona Hajuebia. Dagadumuke, no Romance. And then the one he be able Ikora 5 highest when you mass if Auguste Hogo no more if name crusade n'ọdụ ka agụkọ ka o wee gosi how far anyị na-aga n'ile progress kwuo onwere onye bịara. Okay, let us even have the total number of people na-abịa na nke na mpọ. They could not even manage to come. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha enwenwu ego moto ha ya eji bịa, yet you keep saying that na ndị ụka na-adala ọbịam, na ndị ụka dị lazy, na ndị ụka ada alụ ọrụ. But it's obvious because at least abịa na chọọchị na mpọ a na-enwe kenunu, at least a na-enwedo more than mmadụ 16 ebe a, enwe close to 60 or 70 people. Where are all of them? Ụfọdụ n'ime ha enwe ego moto ha ya eji bịa. Ịghọtago? Ụfọdụ n'ime ha jọsụ na-abịa na mpọ ka ha bịa machara iko rice wolu olokabinsi marụ crayfish na cooking oil ha eji were nri. Why will they waste their time and take risk coming to Enugu to come and waste time? Oga, jụọ onwe ha ajụjụ. This is a roll call. Where are all the people? But kedu ndị omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu Enugu branch? Kedu ndị omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu ndị niile nọ n'Enugu ma ndị n'obodo oyiwo natalụ, ndị niile si Lagos bata? This could have been the best opportunity for them to come to this crusade. Waja, many of them batara ụlọ Christmas. They were busy. But jena crossover night emere, jena program ndị ụka na-eme, people na-ewepụta time or bịa. No matter what, bịa ka ha wee bịa n'ọlụ na ngozi ha. It's a roll call. Ime crusade ndị mmadụ afụke ha. Ịghọtago? Yet you said you are progressing. Guru ezigbo si sinye 10 years. Na ya chụba. We are almost 4 years into the 10 years and nothing is happening. We are not seeing people. In a meeting on in the name of the crusade. Yeah? Behold the biggest crusade, Mathias Ezeaku. You did not hear about it because there is really nothing interesting for you to hear. There is nothing really interesting for you to hear. Official boss there enough you becoming the mother Bujara that crusade ground. You got to go. Eje no ụmụnna ha eje bụrụ instrument ndị nwunye di ha wee bịa ebe a na-akụ egwu sọsọ ife oche debere ụka ụmụ nwaanyị na-epurezie Mathias chụbara dike ọfịa just massaging his ego. This is yet another crusade. After 2 years, the first one was a flop. The second one failed woefully because Nene success has supposed to record in 2 years. I did not see anyone. Is it not a time for this young man to retire back and face it for name? Madana nki name adaba my brother. All na nki name na aba. Because December period, what time in the mother, then I know you no break. Then a business, people with time to actually come there. If actually that na happen, they did not come. But I on Facebook because na as an instrument, iju na satisfy, they make their conscience or do free. They make evil without thinking twice. Bindo as if there will not be judgment. Without having any conscience or having a second thought. Evil do life after death. That's all. Nothing else. It's not as if they don't know the truth. So I just want to present to you the biggest crusade Emelu Kopolo at this point on if you are supposed to do Mathias. It is not working, my brother. If in a man that work, you have seen it or that work, nothing is working. There is nobody here. What disgrace can be better than this, can be more than this? Nkimelu na your homeland being home advantage. Maruko na evangelist because be me honke no boli Ejiofor. Meifa imeru na newu. I will pull more people more than you. If also nya will even nako. Also nya wona mukuru na mother ya during 1 week. Where will you make crusade? I will have probably more people than if you whatever. Share this video. Okay, where's you? What I go? They deceive no one. Or to be their support to something you cannot come out boldly to identify within the public. Otokwa can then eje na KDB eje agwogu na eji on imabane na onu tutu eje. What I go? On eje enjoy yourself no jeri kere nwa bo. O mere mikpo. O if onu na ebe yiri. Because people are not bold enough to come and identify with you, but they are busy on Facebook making noise and ranting. Share this video. Truth. Kolokolo ife from anya ife abanaka. Share this video.